going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a 32 GB page file as RAM in Windows 10. So the first thing you do is to go to Windows Explorer and make sure you have enough space. I'm going to be using my D drive, which has more than enough space. So the first thing is to go to the control panel, press enter, go to system and security, right click on system, click on open, go to advanced system settings, advanced, change. Then uncheck this box if it's checked for you. Go to the drive you want to allocate and click on custom size. And since 1 GB is equals to 1024 megabytes, I'm going to occupy 32,768 megabytes, which is equal to 32 gigabytes. Click on set. Okay, okay, okay. Close and restart your computer. So I'll see you once it's restarted. So as you can see, I have restarted my computer, and if I go to Windows Explorer, 32 gigabytes have been pre-allocated. That's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.